Good morning. Um, so today I will be attempting to do my nails. I completely soaked off my nails, and I have my acrylic and stuff ready, and we gonna see. Now this is a hand that I like just practice with, um, but I'm gonna be doing some short nails on me because technically in my profession, my nails supposed to be short anyway. So I'm going to do short nails. They're going to be black. And I'm going to take y'all on this journey because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Well, I kind of have an idea of what I'm doing, but I've never done my own nails. So we going to see, y'all. We going to see. So, yeah, I'm going to go set up and I'll be back to film. Okay guys, so these are my nails. This is the finished product of me attempting to do my own nails. I did not do a bad job. The only thing I don't like is, let me see if y'all can see it. I think you can see it on my thumb more. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like these bubbles almost is what's like inside the nail from the clear. And this is this hand. So this is my left hand, y'all. I'm a right-handed person, or this is my right hand, and I'm right-handed. So I had to do this hand with my left hand, and listen, y'all, it was a struggle, but I got it done, and they don't look bad. Yeah, I'm actually pretty proud of myself. Oh, y'all can see it now. See that white stuff right there? That is the clear acrylic that I use, and it is horrible. It is not a name brand acrylic. It is just something that I had got from school, and it did. So I'm gonna Am I clear? Can y'all see me? I don't know. I'm going to probably order the Young Nails acrylic because I hear that that one is actually pretty good. Why does it want to fold? There we go. I'm going to order the Young Nails acrylic. I hear that one's pretty good. It's the clear one is very clear according to everyone I've talked to. So I'm going to use that one next time because I feel like with this acrylic, it doesn't really make my nails look black and that's what I wanted. I wanted black nails. And y'all, we're going to see how long these stones last because I don't do well with stones at all. But yeah, I will have this posted for y'all by 6 today. And once I do the editing for this, y'all will get my New Year's Eve vlog. So I will be recording that at my destinations I'm going to. So thank y'all for watching. I'll talk to y'all next time.